नमस्कार, गुड मॉर्निंग मित्रांनो. मागच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण कार्बोहायड्रेटच्या संदर्भामध्ये माहिती घेतलेली आहे. आपण आज लिपिड सुरू करणार आहोत. लिपिड्स, these are long hydrocarbon chain compounds with a grease-like consistency. They are containing carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. In lipids, hydrogen to oxygen ratio is greater than 2:1. More amount of hydrogen is present, less amount of oxygen is present. Lipid, it is a broad term for fatty acids, different types of fatty acids and the derivatives of these fatty acids. All the lipids are insoluble in water, but they are soluble in organic solvents. Lipids are long hydrocarbon chain compounds with the grease-like consistency, and they are containing carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Hydrogen is present in the more amount. Hydrogen to oxygen ratio is more than 2:1. Lipid, it is a broad term. This is used for fatty acids and the derivatives of the fatty acids. And all the lipids are insoluble in water, but these are soluble in organic solvents. Then we shall see the fatty acids. These fatty acids are organic acids which are composed of hydrocarbon chain, and this hydrocarbon chain is the carboxyl group, COOH group. It is a hydrocarbon chain, and this hydrocarbon chain ends in a carboxyl group. Fatty acids are of two types: saturated fatty acids and unsaturated fatty acids. Then we shall see the difference between saturated fatty acids and unsaturated fatty acids. In case of saturated fatty acids, there is no double bond between the carbon atoms of hydrocarbon chain or hydrogen chain. So you can see this is a hydrogen chain or hydrocarbon chain. In this case, there is no double bond between the carbon atoms. Palmitic acid and stearic acid, which are found in animal and plant fats, these are the examples of saturated fatty acids. There is no double bond in the hydrocarbon chain or between the carbon atoms. And palmitic acid and stearic acid, these are the examples of saturated fatty acids. Another type of fatty acid, these are unsaturated fatty acids. These are with double bonds. You can see here, there is a double bond between these two carbon atoms. That's why these are called unsaturated fatty acids. Oleic acid, linoleic acid, which are found in the oil seeds, are the examples of unsaturated fatty acids. In case of unsaturated fatty acids, there is a double bond. Oleic acid and linoleic acid, these are the examples of unsaturated fatty acids. These fatty acids are observed, or these are found in the oil seeds of plants. Then classification of fatty acids. Lipids are classified as simple lipids, compound lipids, and derived lipids. If you see the first type, simple lipids. Simple lipids are the esters of fatty acids with various types of alcohols. These are the esters. Esters of what? Esters of fatty acids and various alcohols. We know the general ester, it is the combination or it is the reaction between acid and alcohol. Here, for the esterification, fatty acids are used and various alcohols are used. Fats and waxes are the simple lipids. The examples of simple lipids are fats and the waxes. Fats are esters of fatty acids with the glycerol. These are called triglycerides. Fats are esters of fatty acids with the glycerol. In this esterification, glycerol or glycerol alcohol is used. Triglyceride, these are also called triglycerides. In the triglycerides, 3 molecules of fatty acids are involved and 1 molecule of glycerol is involved. Here, in the triglycerides, 3 fatty acids are present, or 3 acids are used in the esterification, and 1 molecule of glycerol is used. Unsaturated fats, these are liquids at room temperature and are called oils. The oils, groundnut oil, sunflower oil, safflower oil, etc. These are unsaturated fats. because these are present, these are liquids at room temperature. Unsaturated fatty acids are hydrogenated, means hydrogen is added and they are produced saturated, or these are made saturated. For example, vanaspati ghee or vanaspati tool. Unsaturated fatty acids which are hydrogenated, hydrogen is added, these are made saturated, and the example is vanaspati ghee. Then waxes. Wax is an example of simple lipids. We are dealing with the simple lipids. The first type of simple lipids which we have seen, the fats, and second simple lipid, these are the waxes. Wax is an example of simple lipids. These are the esters of long chain fatty acids with long chain alcohol. These are the esters, no doubt, but these are the esters of long chain fatty acids with long chain alcohol. Waxes are most abundant in blood, gonads, and sebaceous glands of our skin. These waxes, these are most abundant in the blood and gonads, then sebaceous glands of the skin. Waxes are not as readily hydrolyzed as fats. Fats are easily hydrolyzed, but as compared to the fats, these waxes are less easily or not easily hydrolyzed. Waxes are solids at room temperature. Waxes form water insoluble coating on hair, on our hair. There is a wax, it is a insoluble coating, and skin in animals. So waxes form water insoluble coating on hair and skin in animals. They form an outer covering on the stems. On the stems there is a cuticle, there is a waxy layer. Such a waxy layer is present on the stems, leaves, and fruits. So wax is a simple lipid. Waxes are most abundant in blood and gonads and the sebaceous glands of skin. Waxes are not easily hydrolyzed as compared to those of fats. Waxes are solids at room temperature. Waxes form insoluble coating on the hair and skin in animals. They form outer covering on the stems, leaves, and fruits of the plants. Then functions of simple lipids. Fats are nutritional source with high caloric value. These fats, these simple lipids, they are having a high caloric value, and this is the nutritional source. Fats act as a reserved food material. Food material is stored in the form of fats. In plants, it is stored in the seeds to nourish embryo during germination. During germination, for the development of embryo, these simple lipids are used. In animal, fat is stored in the adipocytes of the adipose tissue. Fats deposited in sebaceous tissue act as insulator and minimizes the loss of body heat. Less amount of body heat is lost because these simple fats, they minimize the loss. Fats deposited around the internal organs, such as organs, act as cushions to absorb mechanical shocks. Around the organs, there are fats, and because of these shocks are absorbed. Cholesterol is useful in the synthesis of vitamin D. It also acts as a precursor of sex hormones. So these are the different functions of simple lipids. Then compound lipids. Compound lipids are the esters of fatty acids containing other groups like phosphate and sugar. Here, in these different lipids, in the compound lipids, there are additional groups, that is phosphate and sugar. They contain a molecule of glycerol, two molecules of fatty acids. Here, in the esters, we know that fatty acids are present, glycerol is present, but in addition to this, there is a phosphate group or the simple sugar. Lecithin, it is a phospholipid. Example is lecithin. It is a phospholipid. It has nitrogenous compound attached to the phosphate group. Phospholipids have hydrophilic polar groups, phosphate and nitrogen, and hydrophobic non-polar group. hydrocarbon chains of fatty acids. You can see here non-polar tails, and this is a phospholipid molecule. This is a phospholipid molecule. This phospholipid molecule has polar head group, and this is a non-polar tails. This is a phospholipid. These are present in the membranes. Compound lipids are the esters of fatty acids containing phosphate group and sugar group. They contain molecule of glycerol, 2 molecules of fatty acids instead of 3, and phosphate group and simple sugar. Lecithin, it is an example of a phospholipid. It has nitrogenous compound attached to the phosphate group. Phospholipids have hydrophilic polar groups and hydrophobic non-polar groups. You can see here. This is a polar head and this is non-polar tails. Functions of compound lipids. What is the function of these compound lipids? Phospholipids contribute in the formation of cell membrane. In the cell membrane or the plasma membrane, phospholipids are present. Glycolipids are also called cerebrosides. Glycolipids contain glycerol, fatty acids, and simple sugar, that is galactose and nitrogenous base. Glyco represents the carbohydrates, represents the glycerol, and it is present in the glycolipids. Large amount of glycolipids have been found in the brain white matter and myelin sheath. As far as the functions of compound lipids are concerned, phospholipids contribute in the formation of cell membrane or plasma membrane. Glycolipids are called cerebrosides. Glycolipids contain glycerol, fatty acid, simple sugars such as galactose and nitrogenous base. Large amount of glycolipids have been found in the brain white matter and myelin sheath. Then derived lipids. Sterols are the derived lipids. These are composed of, or these are composed fused carbon hydrocarbon rings and long hydrocarbon side chain. The common sterol is the cholesterol. It is widely distributed in all the cells of animal body, but particularly in the nervous system. Cholesterol is absent in plants. It is only present in the animals. Yam plant, this is Dioscorea. This produces a steroid compound called diogenin. Derived lipids. Sterols are the derived lipids. They are composed fused hydrocarbon ring and long hydrocarbon side chain. Common sterol is cholesterol. This is widely distributed in all animal cells, but these are absent in case of plants. Yam plant or Dioscorea plant, this produces a steroid compound called diogenin. Then functions of derived lipids. Adrenocorticoids, sex hormones, and vitamin D are synthesized from cholesterol. Cholesterol is a derived lipid. From this cholesterol, adrenocorticoids, sex hormones, that is progesterone and testosterone, and vitamin D, these are synthesized from cholesterol. Diogenin is used in the manufacture of anti-fertility pills, that is birth control pills. So functions of derived lipids, these are adrenocorticoids, sex hormones, and vitamin D are synthesized from cholesterol. Diogenin is manufactured or it is used as anti-fertility pills for the production of anti-fertility pills, that is birth control pills, and this is produced from Dioscorea plant. थँक यू. जर आपणास हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर कृपया लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि सबस्क्राईब करा. धन्यवाद.